Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. A'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajim. Hello. Hi. Assalamu alaikum viewers. How are you all guys? I hope so you all are fine. I am also fine. Alhamdulillah. This is DIY Craft Video signing in. And I am going to share with you a most stunning and very beautiful sewing craft ideas for you guys. These are super incredible and very pretty sewing craft ideas for you guys. I am very thankful to you all guys. These are very unique and very classy ideas for you guys. If you want different other craft videos, then you guys must leave the comment in the comment section. I will upload those videos on my channel very soon, inshallah. These are very pretty and very stunning handmade sewing doll craft ideas for you guys. You guys easily make these dolls at home. You guys watch tutorials on YouTube about how to make these sewing dolls at home. Always remember me in your prayers. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon for more updates and for more videos. Take care guys. Always be happy. These are super incredible and very unique ideas for you guys. Must make these sewing dolls at home, and you must share your reviews with me. Bye bye. Allah Hafiz. Take care guys.